Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to today's walk around on the stunning mountain grey Mercedes-Benz CLA 220D AMG line. Now the CLA represents all the great style, practicality and luxury that you're used to with a C-Class, but with a gorgeous slope rear end, giving it a real nice different vibe and different flavour. This one, of course, being the AMG line, has some awesome styling upgrades. So without further ado, here are the reasons you should consider this car as your next one. First off, you've got the LED high performance headlights just here with daytime runners. Front parking sensors, got your honeycomb grille, and as part of the AMG line you've got that gloss black front splitter, and you've also got the black and chrome on the sweeping pendant grille as well. You can see you've got gorgeous sharp lines and curves all the way over the car, giving it a nice aggressive demeanour. And you move all the way around and you come on to your alloy wheel, which of course is an 18-inch 5 twin spoke finished in diamond cut gloss black and silver. Moving up, you've also here of course got your gloss black mirrors with your built-in indicators, gloss black window surround, gloss black B-pillar and tinted privacy glass as well. You can see body coloured door mirrors, and down the bottom you've got the nice extension on the side skirts, semi-flared arches to give it a real AMG heritage feel. You've also got your gloss black on your shark fin antenna, tinted privacy glass, partial LED rear lighting, and of course the gorgeous sweeping sloping rear end, which from any angle looks super impressive. You've got the built-in lip spoiler, and down here you've got rear parking sensors, and you can see dual exit chrome exhaust with a gloss black diffuser. Now the boot itself, lift it up, be careful because it is quite a snapper. You can see you've got loads of room in there for any of your everyday essentials, whether you're a mom on the go, dad on the go, businessman, or you're just having it to go and tour the country. In there you can get pushchairs, buggies, tents, golf clubs, luggage, storage, mother-in-laws, kitchen sinks, pretty much anything and everything. A great space, and one that's quite surprising. And underneath, don't forget, you've got further storage for Christmas or Easter time, when you can hide the eggs and hide the Christmas presents as well. And moving around, you can see every aspect, every angle, every different point of view. CLA is a great looking car, and that isn't anything that can be argued. I won't have it, we won't have it, and you definitely should have it. But in this respect, don't just think the exterior styling is what sets it aside. No, my friends, let me show you what's on the inside as well. As far as interiors go, the CLA is right up there. Flat bottom, multifunction, half perforated leather steering wheel, leather effect on the dashboard, satin and black chrome, you've got brushed aluminium, tablet media system, and of course you've got the awesome AMG line seats, sport seats, bolstered, comfortable, supportive, and really easy on the eye. You've got the Artico man-made leather and the Dynamica suede just in the centre. You've got your manual seat adjustment. You've also got your leg extender as well, which makes it better on long journeys. You've got AMG floor mats, stainless steel sports pedals, and you move around, you've got electrically adjustable windows, electric mirrors, and of course here you have got you've got the half Alcantara and half leather on the door card with the black and red contrast stitching and the gorgeous chrome trim as well. Now before we get in, on the rear seats you can see same sculpted bolster seating. You've also got the armrest in the middle, nice fixed points and plenty of leg room. And then we get inside, and what you'll be able to see is that you've got total visibility up top, regarding anything in your line of vision. It's a real nice place to be. And then we move down, you can see half digital instrument cluster just in the middle, giving you all the vital information that you need, such as your mileage being just over 50,000 miles. Now to turn this on, it isn't keyless, so you will need the keys, and there is 2 of them, and you can see you click on here, put that in, foot on the brake, turn it halfway, let it all go through and turn it on. You can see it starts first time. Apart from the terrible music, there are no issues, no delay, no lag, and no warning lights, most importantly. But you can see in here, this instrument cluster display, you can amend that using this button just here. So we can scroll down, you can see we're now on the trip computer. You've got your range in the tank, you've got your eco display, you've also got your trip computers as well, and you've got your digital speedo. If you click across using the right hand button, you can get onto navigation. Now of course on this you can see there isn't a memory card that has the sat nav software on here. You will need to get one of those from your Mercedes dealer, or even look on eBay for the Garmin option. Really easy to find, in all fairness. You can also get the audio on there at this time. You can see they're listening to FM radio. You've also got Bluetooth audio and AM as well. On here you can also click onto your telephone, so you connect your Bluetooth, and if you click on assistant, you can see you bring up the graphic with the virtual road, and that will inform you of any obstacles or information you need to be aware of, and the attention assist, which measures automatically how long you've been driving and will recommend when to take a break. You've got the ESP, which is the electronic stability, traction control. You've got brake assist and attention assist just there, as we've already said. And if you go on service, you've got your error messages if you had a door open, your tyres were flat, the bonnet was open, any issues like that. You've got your tyre pressure monitor there, and if you click on Assist Plus, you can see what service is next due and how long until it is. And we go across onto settings. You go on your instrument cluster where you can change your miles, you can change your lighting, your DRLs. You can also change your winter speed limit, auto door locks and acoustic lock, or you can revert everything back to a factory setting as well. And then we move away from there, you can see on the steering wheel Nappa leather here, and of course that gorgeous perforated leather, which looks great, and ironically it feels great. Gives the driver that aesthetic and race vibe that you just get from having a real nice aftermarket steering wheel. This of course is from factory, but it gives you the vibe that you've gone and bought a Momo wheel. Red stitching, part of the AMG line, and at the bottom, the most important bit, it is flat bottom, and you've got the chrome insert. On the back you've got Paddleshift to change gears manually. You've also here got your headlight settings in terms of high beam and indicator. You've also got your wipers, and that is because on the right hand stalk you have your gear stick. Now really easy to use. This display is of course mimicked just here. To do it, foot on the pedal and you press it down, and now you're in drive. You want to put it in reverse, you click it up and it goes into reverse. You want to put it in park, click the bit just here and you can see it goes into park. On this side of the steering wheel you can see you've got your Lingotronic voice control, Bluetooth audio, and you've got your volume control, and again on that side the instrument cluster menu. Now moving down from here you can see you've got your auto headlights and fog lights. And then we move across, you can see the gorgeous brushed aluminium trim that goes all the way across and goes beautifully into the passenger door card, again half suede or Alcantara and the half leather. Now on this, your media control system is controlled by this little gizmo here, and you can see if you click on navigation, if you had the SD card in this little gizmo here, you will be able to see your nav displayed on that screen just there. On the radio, if you scroll onto waveband, you can see you've got FM and AM. No DAB on this option. And if you go on media, there's plenty of different sources for you to sample from, of which we can see just here. You've got Bluetooth, media interface, memory card, disc as well. So you're pretty well adverse and really well looked after in terms of audio. You've also got your Bluetooth telephone. Click on connect device and you'll be good to talk on the go. And if you click on vehicle, you can go on vehicle settings. You can change your location illuminator, the ambient lighting brightness, of course. You've got the exterior and interior lighting, and you've got the back to the illuminator. There is only one colour on the ambient lighting, it's not customizable. And you've also here got the individual configuration, meaning on your drive select mode you've got one that says individual, and this is where you tailor make it. So for me, I would have it in manual because I like the paddles. Steering in sport, I would have the eco start stop off because I don't like it, and climate control on eco. That for me is the optimum way to set that up. And if you scroll down again, you can see you can get on to system settings just here. And if you go through there, you've got many different options that you can customise to set it up to your own devices. Then we move down, you've got your air vents, and you've got your touchpad version of what's on the screen there. Now you can get onto the menu using these, but you can't use the iDrive controller. You have to use the iDrive controller, sorry, to operate it personally. You've also here got the button for dynamic drive select. You can see Eco, Individual, Sport and Comfort. You've also got hazard lights, auto start stop, audible parking sensors, and then you come down to your aircon. So this is of course dual zone, and it is quite powerful. You can see on this you can turn it right the way down for the driver, right the way up for the passenger, or the opposite, because I don't think I'm very awake today. And you can see you've got different temperatures. Now if you want to sync that, you can press zone, and that of course will max it out to what the driver's got, and it will sync it to that temperature. You've got auto aircon here, where it will automatically adapt itself, heated front screen, heated rear screen, air distribution of how much is portrayed into the cabin, and where the air is portrayed in using the mode button. You've got aircon, you've got auto recirculation, and you can turn it off using that button just there. Moving down, you've got your pop-up menu, and you can see just here you've got your 12-volt charger and a bit of storage. Move down under that in the satin black, you've also got the storage, which is great for change, sweets, anything else that you normally find in your car just there. Then you've got your iDrive controller, credit card holder and dual cup holder, and of course your sliding armrest finished in the leather, and that of course again alongside has the red contrast stitching. Lift that up and you can see you've got a bag in there, and you've also here got the two media interfaces, of which are able to use your media and charge up any tablets or anything like that that you may have. So bags aside, there's not really any much more that I can say about this awesome CLA 220, aside from the fact it has of course, along with every other car here at Emerald, been treated to the 128 point check prior to retailing. That just means that this car has been given a meticulous cosmetic and mechanical prep prior to your arrival, and of course you can see the results of that check online under vehicle advert. Now what also we want to tell you is we do a full oil and filter change, and we also give any car an MOT if it needs it before it goes out to its new home. So you are covered in terms of potential maintenance for the foreseeable future. But not only that, in part of prep, we also are able to offer fantastic finance rates from as little as 7.9% APR with many of the market leading partners we happily work with day to day. And we also are able to give you fantastic prices for your part exchange. So my only question to you is, why wouldn't you want to see what probably the best car dealership in the UK really means to you as a consumer? Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128 point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time holding the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC-approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10.
Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Maybe
the
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%.
It's got to be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.